Good morning, students. In the previous video, we discussed a share issued for other than cash. In this session, we are going to discuss when the shares are issued for cash. The cash collection is made by way of the issue of shares. So all the shares amount is collected in the form of money. Here we have two concepts. You can collect the share amount at a time. Single payment is made. For example, your share, one share value is 1000 rupees. So you collect the 1000 rupees at a time, at any point of time. The another one concept is the share value is 1000, but we collect the amount on installment basis. 250 rupees in first installment, 500 rupees in second installment, and then third installment 250, and fourth installment if any pending is available. So you can collect the amount in installment basis. So there is no uniform amount to be collected on every installment. You can collect various varying amount in each installment, but the total amount is collected by installment. So when you collect the amount at a single payment, you have to pass only one entry, that is bank account data to share capital. Here the bank is receiving the cash and shares are going out. So the bank account is debited and share capital account is credited. That one entry is enough. When you go for installment basis, usually the price is to be collected in 4 installments. So when the shareholder pay certain amount, not less than 5% of the price, along with the application, then after their applications are considered and sanctioned, the directors confirm the allotment of share. Then the shareholder pays certain amount, that is called allotment amount. Whenever the company need finance amount, then it will make a notice to the shareholder to pay certain amount. So it is called call amount. It is called first time, the notice is given first time, it is called first call. If the notice is given in the second time, it is called second call amount. So the total amount of the share is collected in 4 installment. The first installment is called as application, second allotment installment is called allotment, and third installment is called first call, and fourth installment is called second call. So we have to pass the transfer entry for these transactions. So you have to pass 2 entries. One is a transfer entry, another one is a collection entry. Transfer entry means from application stage to share capital, from allotment to share capital, and you are transferring amount from one account to another account. Collection entry means you are collecting the amount from the shareholder. For the amount collected, you have to pass a journal entry. So you pass 2 entry at each stage. One is in the application stage, first we received the amount, then we transfer the amount from one account to another account. So here for receiving the application money, bank is receiving the amount, so bank account data, shares, it is collected for the purpose of share application, so to share application account, bank account data to share application. When the money, application money is kept in the application account, it should be transferred to share capital account. Here the second entry is a share transfer entry, share application account data to share capital. In the stage of allotment, when the first call, second call, we have to pass first transfer entry, then collection entry. In the remaining three stages, first entry is a transfer entry, second entry is collection entry. But in application stage, the first entry is collection entry and the second entry is transfer entry. So you have to keep this in your mind. For transferring the amount from allotment to share capital, share allotment account data to share capital. When the allotment money is received, you have to pass the same entry, bank account data to share allotment. Here the name has changed, same bank account data to share application. Here the name is changed, bank account data to share allotment. Then in first call, when the first call is made, the first call account data to share capital, it is a transfer entry, and the collection entry is bank account data to first call account. For the second call, the same nature type of entries are passed, only the name has changed. Share second call account data to share capital, it is a transfer entry, and when the amount is collected, you have to pass bank account data to share first call account. So you have the 8 entries, 2 entries in each stages, and there are 8 entries, but in my point of view only 2 entries. So the name has changed to represent the stages. So you have to memorize these journal entries and pass the transaction. Thanks.